5 cookie shaping hacks to impress the cookie lovers. Making cookies is a fun activity to try. You can even make it your business. But what if you want to make a twist about it? Hey guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing well and safe at home. For today's video, we will be discussing 5 cookie shaping hacks that will surely impress all the cookie lovers out there. So get your doughs out and let's get started. Number 1. Cookie flour. Let's start with an easy one. All you need is to have 2 colors of dough, a common colored one and a brown one, and also a toothpick. Once all the ingredients are ready, create smaller dough balls. For each cookie, you'll need 6 common colored dough as the petals and a brown one as the center of the flour. Once placed, create a line in the middle of the petal dough with a toothpick. Happy baking! Number 2. Button cookies. Moms love making cookie jars as their sewing kits. For a twist, create these easy-to-make button cookies. Just ready your dough, a bottle cap, and a straw, and you'll be ready to go. In a dough ball, push the bottle cap in the middle. It has to make a pizza-like dough, with edges rising. Then, create 4 holes inside with a straw to make it an official button cookie. Number 3. Rose cookies. Do you love roses? Why not recreate it as a cookie? All you need is the dough and your knife. To make one, cut a flat circle dough into 4. Then, with the center pointing upwards, layer each piece while overlapping each other. Use more than one piece of dough. Once it's all laid out, roll it, then cut it in the middle. You can open the ends more to make it more blooming. Number 4. Clam cookies. Are you in for a sea-themed cookie party? If yes, then make these clam-shaped cookies. If not, make it still. All you need is your dough and a citrus juicer. Push the flat circle dough in the middle of the juicer to create the clam effect. Bake it and enjoy your sea-themed treat. Number 5. Swan cookies. Are you a fan of swans? Try making the swan cookies. With a piece of dough and a cutter, you'll be good to go. Cut a quarter of a flat circle dough, then cut a line parallel to the cut earlier for the swan's neck. But don't cut it all the way. Then, curve it like how the swan's necks are curved. Point the end a little bit to make the beak. Cut at least 2 lines from the curved part to make the swan's wings. Cookie cutters aren't the only tool that you can use for cookie shaping. At times, items found at home are handy too. We hope you enjoyed trying this in the comfort of your home. Tell us what your favorite is in the comment box below. That's all for today. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you will be updated once we upload a new video like this one. Thank you all for watching and see you guys on my next one.